When you're selecting an access point, of course, one of the questions to ask yourself is, where's it going to go? Is it indoor or outdoor? Because if it's an outdoor access point you need, you want to choose from the devices that were specifically made for that purpose. So let's take a look at some of the Cisco products that are wireless access points that can work with your network that are designed to function inside of a wireless infrastructure. So here we see the 1530 I for the integrated antenna that is available to us, or we could do a 1530 without it being integrated. In fact, it supports flexible antenna port technology to be able to support a lot of different types of antenna. It's got a ruggedized case, so again, it's designed to be relatively weather resistant. It can handle a little splash damage if that were to occur. Supports A and N, BG and N, so again, no AC at the 1530 level. Is designed to fit nicely, though, into a mesh topology, which can work really well. And in general, if you're doing any kind of distance, that maybe you're going to use it as a workgroup bridge, you can use it in that configuration very easily. Fits, and again, that N network tends to traverse a little better anyway. The 1550 also supports up through N, 2x3 MIMO with two spatial streams, 300 megabit data rate. Sounds pretty similar, right? But when we look at the 1550 series, honestly, you can just look at the case. You see what's going on here? That thing is what is known as IP67 rated, as will our last one, the 1570. There's a scale that talks about ingress protection. That's what IP stands for. So IP67 is a 6 out of 6 on the dust scale and a 7 out of 8 on the water protection scale. So again, IP67 means it is totally protected against any form of dust getting in there. And as far as water's pretty wicked. It can get in places, but it's protected even in immersion of up to a meter of water. In other words, it can't handle pressurized water, like throw it in the bottom of the ocean. No, you're not going to have the support for it anymore. But that's pretty good. All right, that's good stuff right there. Up to a meter of support of water protection for your electronics. So this is why we're saying it's an outdoor. This isn't just ruggedized. This is really designed to be able to last forever in an outdoor environment and not be weakened by the process. Now the newest one is the Aironet 1570. And again, it's got 4x4 MIMO with 3 spatial streams. It's got more antenna, 1.3 gigabit max data rate because we support AC and the crowd goes wild. Yay. So once again, we see this option available to us to be able to support that. Again, internal or external antenna being available for the 1570 as you need it. Also, when we're working with that 1570, this supports in an outdoor environment that HDX, right? So the clean air, the beam forming, the channel selection, the grouping that you can do, all that's available at the 1570 as well. So very cool stuff. Outdoor access points.